Okay. Be careful. Do not get no gas on that carbon fiber, boy. A little bit more. That's good. Perfecto. Okay. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, baby. Bingo. Successful. Successfully transferred. Nice. Thank you. Receipt. No, thank you. What's up, folks? Welcome back to Dream Bigger Moto. Now, as the winter season comes to a close, we gotta get the most riding days we can. So today's a little bit chilly, not too bad, but we're out on the Monster. And I think this is actually my first point of view ride since I got it back. So this is a whole new experience for you guys, because you've never seen it. So of course we're on the full carbon fiber Monster, taking it for a little cruise around town. Not too far, not too long, but just something to, you know, get those engine oils flowing, because I got this bike parked up in the garage and I don't even ride it. So it's gonna be a pretty fun video. Pretty fun. It's also going to be a point of view of you guys hearing the SC Project exhaust back there. That SC Project, baby. So yeah, like I said, we're not going to go too far. It's going to be a nice little ride. I want to get back to the house before it gets dark, so I can chill out and smoke a cigar. This bike sounds insane, man. Jeez. Hear that thing? I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but the SC Project is no joke. No joke. So, dang. I wanted this car to not be in front of me because I want to rip on these back roads back here. Oh yeah, there it is, baby. There you are, baby. How you been? How you been, huh? You been okay? I know, I know. I know, baby girl. Ooh, another biker. Respect to all the guys that ride bikes out there, man. We live a dangerous life. He's looking back in his mirror like, what the hell is that? Oh my god. This bike is literally freaking a demon, man. Oh yeah. It's a demon. I'm going this way, fella. Now, these are some nice back roads. Sometimes they're a bit dirty, so you gotta kind of watch that. But nice back roads, though. Right here, real dirty. Gotta be careful. Woo! thing, man. I love it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I hope you guys are getting a good audio of this bad boy. Oh yeah. Guys, this is supposed to be a calm ride. Supposed to be chilling. But this bike has no chill, man. V-twin engine, a 1200cc engine, combined with this thing redlines at 11,000 RPMs. So you're kind of always in that power band on the RPMs, and then on top of that, you're in a very comfortable riding position. And then on top of that, you have the bike is fully carbon. So it's extremely lightweight. You know what I mean? The downshifts on this bike are crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. And then of course the exhaust. When you hear that exhaust, you just like want to keep pulling and going, because the exhaust just sounds so brutal. But yeah, it's just, you know, all those things combined make this bike so much fun to ride. I want to tighten my steering dampener a little bit, make it a little bit stiffer. It's okay, take it a little bit off of it. Yeah, but yeah, man, this bike is so fun. And of course it's not a bike that I ride often. It's very special to me, so I don't like riding it. Coming up, baby. Yeah! 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 Yeah, baby! Holy smokes! Holy smokes! So basically, the issue that I'm having now it's not really an issue, but so basically, since I've shaved so much weight off the bike, right? Now you gotta understand, the bike was already decked out with carbon fiber, but me changing this tank, like literally, I really wish I could have weighed the bike before and after, because this bike is super light now. It's honestly crazy how light the bike is. Hey, my dad has the exact same bike, but yeah, it's crazy how light the bike is, man. And that's why now when I'm coming out of first and second, the bike is wheeling, that front wheel is hovering. You know what I mean? And I believe I have it on. I have my Ducati wheelie control on. So I have no idea. I mean, hey, I'm pretty sure if I was ripping on it hard enough, it would come up, but then of course the electronic system will bring it back down. But yeah, this bike is amazing, man. It's that exhaust just sounds so good. I hope you guys are hearing it clearly, like I am. One of these days I'm gonna do a like an exhaust video, kind of similar to that I did with the V2. That video was like strictly dedicated for the exhaust. I think I'm gonna do one for this exhaust as well.